About to rage quit over stubbornly stuck Joycon wrist strap? Don't panic, this super quick guide will show you how to safely remove that pesky wrist strap without breaking your precious Joycon. First things first, make sure you're pressing the release button on the back of the Joycon. Give it a good, firm press. This button disengages the locking mechanism. Now, gently but firmly slide the wrist strap upwards, away from the Joycon. Don't force it. Wiggling it slightly from side to side while pulling up can help. If it's still stuck, grab a toothpick or something similar. Anything thin and blunt. Carefully insert it into the small gap between the Joycon and the wrist strap connector. Use the toothpick to gently push in one of the small plastic tabs inside the connector. This can help release any pressure. While gently pushing the tab, try sliding the wrist strap up again. It should slide off much easier. Now repeat on the other side if needed. There you have it, one safely removed Joycon wrist strap. Now you can get back to gaming. If this helped you out, give us a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Nintendo Switch fixes.